Supreme Court has quashed the notification to include Jats in the central list of other backward classes for according benefits of reservation to them. The judgment was pronounced by a bench of Justice Ranjan Gogoi and Justice Rohitan Falinariman. Giving the judgment, the court set aside the notification to implement Jats in the central list of other backward classes. The court found fault with the centre's decision to ignore the findings of the National Commission for Backward Classes, which said that Jats need not be included in the central list of OBCs as they don't form the socio-economic backward class. The court found fault with the centre's decision to ignore the findings of National Commission for Backward Classes, which said that Jats need not be included in the central list of OBC as they don't form socio-economic backward class. Coming down heavily on the erstwhile UPA government, court opined that caste cannot be the sole factor of determining backwardness of a class. It also said that a wrong inclusion of a class in the past cannot be a basis for further wrong inclusion, and that inclusion of a politically strong class would adversely impact the welfare of other classes. The decision came on a PIL filed by the OBC Reservation Raksha Samiti. The erstwhile UPA government had issued notification just before the Model Code of Conduct for the general elections came into force.
Court has categorically mentioned that no political class and no political caste can be given a reservation on the basis of that they can mobilize the politically a particular government. That there has to be a exclusion, not only inclusion. There cannot be a ground of comparison being a caste in the backwardness.
The incumbent government has also supported the decision to include Jats in the OBC list. Meanwhile, the Jat community leaders have already decided to have a legal recourse. They also want the union government to bring in a legislative remedy.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का हम आदर करते हैं, लेकिन हम इनसे एग्री नहीं करते। इनका जो फैसला लिया है, इससे हम टोटली जो है सहमत नहीं है। हम अगेंस्ट हैं। हम इसका रिव्यू करवाएंगे, अपील करेंगे।
The political parties too seem to be united in their support for the Jat reservation. Cutting across party lines, they openly express support for the matter.
इनकी जो सामाजिक, शैक्षणिक और आर्थिक स्थिति ओबीसी की तरह ही है, पिछड़ी हुई है, इसलिए हमारी पार्टी शुरू से ये कहते रही है कि जाट समाज के लोगों को ओबीसी में शामिल करके इनको आरक्षण की सुविधा देनी चाहिए।
जाटों में भी बहुत गरीबी है, उस सबको ध्यान में रख के दिया गया था तमाम लोगों को, लेकिन ये कि अगर सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने उसको रद्द कर दिया है तो हम आगे क्या तरीका हो सकता है, क्या कोर्स ने, ये हम देखेंगे।
सोशली, कल्चरली और इकोनॉमिकली जाटों का बड़ा हिस्सा आरक्षण के अंदर आता है। सरकार को पहल करनी चाहिए और सभी जो इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं सेक्शंस, उनको इकट्ठा करके फिर कोई कंसेशन बनानी चाहिए।
Some Jat leaders, meanwhile, are already suggesting that the government should appeal before a bigger bench.
कोर्ट का फैसला है और आरक्षण जहां तक बात है, जाट डिजर्व करते हैं, उनको मिलना चाहिए। सामाजिक पृष्ठभूमि के आधार पे भी जो फैसला हुआ है उसके विरोध में जो जाट संस्थाएं हैं वो अपील में जाएंगी और मुझे लगता है कि न्याय मिलेगा।
बड़े आंदोलन के बाद जाटों को ये अधिकार मिला था और सब किसान जातियों को भी ये अधिकार मिला हुआ है, वो भी जाति के आधार पर ही मिला है। तो हम एक रिव्यू पेटिशन करेंगे।
Jats are included under the OBC list in Bihar, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, Rajasthan, UP, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. The current ruling necessarily means that the state governments may continue to accord them OBC status and the reservation benefits that accrue subsequently for state government jobs. The same will not be applicable for jobs in the central universities and central government jobs. The next course of action for the government would necessarily be a legal review of the case before deciding on any future step. Newsnight Desk, DD News.